Oh, I ain't gonna live like this no more. Most of my life's been waging war. I found peace, I could've swore. What she did shook me to the core. I ain't gonna live like
So we had some leftover potatoes from last night. Tonight I'll make cowboy potatoes.
Sounds good.
Well, I ain't gonna live like this no more. Trouble comes when the barmaid pours another for a man who should have found the door. Oh, when I get going, you can hear me roar. And you know I can't live like this no more.
So I'm just going to barbecue some pork fillet to go along with the cowboy potatoes.
Hurting as bad as the years before. Living in a lie I can't ignore. Oh, I had to cut ties to settle the score.
A little bit of Greek seasoning.
But I ain't gonna live like this no more. I've been drinking till my body's sore. Ain't touched my bed, just sleep on me. But I'ma get on my feet, get on my chores, get some things to hit in the store. This old ship's coming back to shore, 'cause I ain't gonna live like this no more.
The pork's lovely.
This is one of my favourite meals when we're away in the van. Good job. Well guys, that's it for this video. I hope you did enjoy it, and if you did, it would be appreciated if you could click the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell, as that will certainly help our channel grow in YouTube. Thanks for watching.